In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail with Thunderbird. If you like the power of a desktop email app, but want all your Gmail right on your computer, this walkthrough will get you set up smoothly. We'll start in Gmail, connect it to Mozilla Thunderbird, sign in securely, confirm your folders and syncing, and finish by sending your first message. First, turn on IMAP in Gmail so Thunderbird can sync your mail. Open Gmail in your web browser, click the gear icon for settings, then choose See All Settings. Go to the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab, find IMAP Access, select Enable IMAP, and save your changes. IMAP is the modern way to keep everything in sync across devices, so anything you read, move, or delete in Thunderbird will match what you see in Gmail on the web or on your phone. Next, add your Gmail account to Thunderbird. Open Thunderbird on your computer. From the menu, choose New, then Existing Mail Account. If you don't see that option, go through Account Settings, then Account Actions, and pick Add Mail Account. In the Setup window, type the name you want recipients to see and your full Gmail address. Leave the password field empty for now. Thunderbird will handle sign-in through Google in the next step. Thunderbird will detect Gmail's IMAP settings automatically, so you can click Continue or Done when prompted. You'll then see a secure Google sign-in window. Sign in with your Gmail credentials and approve access for Thunderbird. If you use two-step verification, complete that here as well. This process uses OAuth 2, which means Thunderbird connects using a secure token rather than storing your password directly. You shouldn't need to enter server details manually. Thunderbird fills in the correct IMAP and SMTP settings for you. After the account connects, give Thunderbird a moment to sync. You'll see your Gmail folders appear: Inbox, Sent, Drafts, Spam, and any custom labels you use. Gmail labels show up as folders in Thunderbird, so something like a work label becomes a browsable folder. Actions you take in Thunderbird, such as reading, archiving, or deleting, will reflect in Gmail everywhere. If you want to reduce clutter, you can unsubscribe from labels you don't need by opening the account's folder settings and choosing which ones to sync. Large mailboxes may take a little time for the first full download. Finally, send a test message. Compose a new email in Thunderbird and send it. It will go out using Gmail servers, and the sent message will appear in your sent folder and in Gmail on the web. That's it. You're set up to use Gmail in Thunderbird with secure syncing and seamless sending.